Hello everyone, this is Jimmy from Transcend Philippines, and I'm here to present you the Transcend Portable SSD. After today's training session, you will be able to communicate, identify the right customer, and to promote our products. This is for today's agenda. We will go through the market trend first and help you connect the product to the market. We will also share with you about the product information and all of the excellent features you should understand about our products. We also prepare useful information from the global media partners and the user's actual user experience. Before we start to the market trend, remember that we are not targeting for a big quantity, but we are aiming for the top premium application. It will not be a big portion of your current revenue for now. However, we are preparing for the new era. Remember three keywords about our products: performance, quality, and stylish. Let's get started. This is the worldwide PC shipments. Right now it has reached over 190 million till this quarter. The clients we are looking for, price is never their major concern, but they are looking for products that could live up to their expectation and provide the best performance. And also, this is the gaming console shipment also increased a lot, over 80 millions until Q3. Using an external SSD with you, you can unleash the gaming experience. We all use the SSD inside our computers. You should use the stand to have a new era of your gaming experience. Also, the Android market right now dominates the smartphone by 80%. You all remember the good old days when customers buy a cell phone, they always get an additional micro SD for their storage. Right now, we are aiming for the new era, which is buy a cell phone and get a Transcend Portable SSD. More and more devices right now is equipped with the Type-C and also be capable of 4K recording. Our clients' price is never their issue, but they are looking for products that could live up to their expectations and most importantly, suit their taste. So why would they need Transcend? Because it is good to have crystal clear 4K videos by their smartphone. However, storage might be a concern. For example, a 4K videos of 5 minutes will cost you around 1.8 gigabytes for your storage, and also a Full HD videos cost you 5 gigabytes. Having a Transcend Portable products, and you will be able to store all of the movies or important data inside and to have an unlimited experience you ever have with your smartphone. Let's take a look on the backup solutions. Our external SSD is definitely not the cheapest. However, if you compare the performance and the cost-performance ratio, you will find out the external SSD is actually the best. When you compare with the cloud storage, those two things you need to discuss first. The first thing is that cloud storage, even it's convenient, but it is very limited to the network condition. If the network is too slow, you will never be able to get to your data. And the other thing is cyber risk. When you store the important data with you, the last thing you want to hear is that your information is shared public or be hacked by others. Transcend Portable SSD equipped with the AES encryption function. You don't need to understand what is AES encryption doing, but you need to understand that it is the most secure way to secure your data and is now widely adopted by the US federal government. Why choose Transcend Portable SSD? Remember the three keywords, and let's take a deep look about how amazing our product is. This is our product lineup. For starters, we have the ESD220C. The pocket-sized solution supports the Type-C interface, and the speed could be up to 400 megabytes per second. And we also have this elegant design that supports the latest technology. The USB 3.1 Gen 2 can help you to do the performance up to 520 megabytes per second. And also, if customers are looking for more durable design, we have you covered by the ESD400. Applies the MLC premium solution and could also do speed up to 400 megabytes per second. In the past, you will never be able to imagine how elegant and how compact your external storage can be. The size of our ESD220C is just like your credit card. How about the weight? The weight is only 7 pieces of A4 papers. Have you ever felt stressful carrying papers? You don't. That is how light and how compact our product is. Right now, imagine yourself as a successful businessman. When you're traveling around the world, you don't want to carry lots of stuff. So, this is my card holder, and this is my portable SSD. You can actually compare the size together that the portable SSD can even fit your card holder. So right now, having a portable SSD will help you to have a brand new experience about traveling. Right now, you only need to store all of the important data inside your SSD, grab your phones, and you are all set for your next business adventures. Simply take the ESD with you and to explore the revolutionary experience when you travel. This is the ESD250C. You can actually see the size is so compact that is lighter than your Ultra notebook. How about the speed? Because it supports the USB and the Gen 2 USB 3.1 can help you save up to 70% of your transferring time. The speed is up to 520 megabytes per second. Let's take a look on the real-world experience. When backing up a 128 gigabyte smartphone, our external SSD will only cost you less than 30 minutes. Comparing with other solutions will cost you up to 2 hours. Our clients, they are looking for the most efficient solution for them. So our external SSD could do the work for them. When you connecting our Transcend Portable SSD with your gaming consoles, you could unleash your gaming experience by having 3 times faster loading time comparing with your built-in internal hard disk. And it's compatible with multiple devices from your laptops, your notebooks, Type-C devices, and the gaming consoles. You might wonder how will it work with the Type-A devices. Don't worry, Transcend got you covered. For our ESD250C, we supply 2 cables. The one Type-A to the common devices, and the second one is the Type-C cable connect you to the future. And also the product support the one-touch backup button can help you easily manage your file. You just simply plug it into your computer and press the button. All of the files will be saved and back up into your computers. Also the AES encryption that will help you. Customers trust our products and the performance. We deliver the best security for them. We make sure that the data will stay with you and only you. Also, the ESD portable SSD has the complementary professional software can help you do the backup, encryption, decryption, or synchronizing the files and backup from the cloud. Our product is suitable for businessmen who is looking for performance, photographers who is looking for the best quality, and gamer who is ready for the next generation of gaming experience. Let's take a review on the product information. The ESD250C supports the USB 3.1 Gen 2, can up to 520 megabytes per second, and also the elegant design can help your friends understand your exceptional taste about products. This is the pocket-sized ESD220C, supports the one-touch backup button, can be your travel companion and to have a revolutionary experience when travel. This is the ESD400, adopts the MLC Premium NAND Flash solution, can help the important data last you longer. Why you need the portable SSD? Fast data transfer, compact and lightweight, AES encryption, compatible with multiple devices, Type-C interface connect you to the future, and also the one-touch backup button. Thanks to our pioneers all over the world, we now have many recognized media awards and actual users experience. For example, we can show them the PC Advisor from UK and Denmark, and also the benchmark reviews from USA, that our products got awarded by these global media partners. And also you will find it very helpful to persuade the customer by showing them the current media reviews about the products. And this is the Amazon review of the actual users buying our products. You can see that they say, great drive for those who move files on multiple devices. And one user is from Japan. He actually connected our products to its PS4 and it tremendously shortened the time of loading the games. It changed the world for him. So right now, say yes to performance, say yes to quality, say yes to stylish, and say yes to Transcend Portable SSD. Thank you guys, this is the training session for today. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's push more on the Transcend Portable SSD.